discuss about the well, early and fast. Right? So what is well? In fact, well is an adverb. So we have changed an adjective into an adverb. So what is that adjective? That adjective is good. So if you want to change the adjective which is good into an adverb, so good change to well. Example, she plays most sports well. So now this well modifies or describe the play. So that's why adverb modifies the verb. The second example, I slept well last night. So well modifies what? Slept. What is slept? Verb. Excellent. Adverb modifies verb. Very mostly followed by a quite and well. Now if you're using mostly, it follows what? It follows quite and well. And the second one, to do well, means to be succeed. To be what? To be succeed or to be successful. Example, well can also be an adjective, right? Well also can be an adjective. It can be an adverb too. But how it could be an adjective? How are you? I'm very well. What is well here? An adjective. Thanks. These adverbs have the same form as an adjective. Listen, if you want to change this adverb into adjective, they are the same form. No changes happen here. Early remain the same. Late, fast and hard. The bus is late again. We must not arrive late. Now can you tell me, and here late is what? Adjective or adverb? It is. How do you know it's an adjective? How? Adjective modifies what? Adjective modifies what? Noun or pronoun? What is bus? Noun. Late modifies what? Bus. So this is an adjective. Now we must not arrive late. What is arrive here? Adverb or verb? Verb. Very good. Now what is late here? Adverb, because adverb modifies verb. Understand? This is very simple. A simple concept. You have to understand that concept. More examples. Do you get up early? What is early? Adverb, adjective. Adverb or adjective? Adverb. Someone told me adjective. How do you say it's adjective? It's an adverb. Okay? Because it is get up. Now he drives very fast. Is it adverb or adjective? Think about this. Yes, come on, tell me. What do you think? Is that adjective, really adjective or adverb? Think about this. Just think. Early modifies what? Time. So this is adverb. He drives very fast. What is fast? What is very? Adverb. Very good. We are all working hard for the exam. What is hard? Adverb for the exam. Excellent. That was nice. Now let's see how we can use them into action. Well, talks about our ability to do things. How do you do things? Right? So, he can't dance well. I'm afraid, but he speaks French well. Now, well shows the ability to speak French. And here, well modifies, that shows the ability how you can dance. And it is also, and is doing well in chemistry. And also shows that his ability in chemistry. So, well also used in action. So you can use well in action, right? So to talk about your ability. We use early and late. Early and late. Now we have got two other adjectives or adverb to talk about when things happen. When things happen. Fast and hard talk about fast and hard. Ask how we do things. For example, as journey. That is our bus. It's arrived early. When? Early shows what? When. When things happen. Okay? Arrive. When arrive? Right? Early. How fast can you run? We don't want to miss it. See? Fast again. Ask fast and hard. Ask how we do things. Understand? So here the example.